Welcome to KV Lab. Hey guys, so I'm Kalpang and today we're going to do the volcano eruption. The instruction, we have this plastic cup with water in it. We have the volcano model and we have safety goggles. We have this, and this is setting, and the last thing is a stick, kind of a stick, to stir, and this is sodium bicarbonate powder. I will call it red powder, and this one is
citric
powder. I'll call it white powder. It's like sugar. Woo! So, let's do it. I'm going to put my safety goggle. Ow, ow, ow. So, the first thing, we're going to put the red powder and the white powder in the model with this teaspoon. Maybe. Ooh. And then made a mess a little bit. It's tomato. Get it out. Get it out of my table. Ah. Next is the white powder. It's like sugar. It's like sugar. It's like salt. Yeah.
Actually, the citric is acid.
You don't need to like cut off that you speak.
Yeah.
Because it's okay. Then we'll use this stirring stick to stir it together. Ooh! Come. It's like the white powder is turned to red. It's a little bit messy. There we go. Can you see it? Okay. So, to put the water in here, and it say it will explode. So I'm going to take everything down here first, okay? Or right here. Ah! Very cool. Wait. Whoa. We're going to put more of it because it's fun. It will be fun, I think so.
Do you smell something? But you have to be careful, come on.
No. More.
Be careful. Oh.
Ooh, can I touch it? Is
No.
it hot? You. Another experiment is the same, but we can do these at home. We don't need to use the red powder or the white powder. We can use vinegar instead of water and baking soda instead of that powder thingy. So, okay. So, the same. You get 1 spoon of vinegar.
1 spoon of baking soda.
Oh, yes. Okay, baking soda and you can eat this. And I'll try a little bit. 1 drop. Ooh, I hear some sound. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, please. It's like, ooh, cool. Very cool. So, a little bit. It's the same, but it's no color. The vinegar. Whoa. Here we go. You can see it. Oh my god. Oh, it's turned to water. Oh, it's the same, but I didn't use food coloring, so it's not red. I just used baking powder and vinegar, so it's only white. You can use food coloring too. So bye-bye. What? Not a mistake. Good morning, everyone. Look, the push-up face. Good morning, everyone. Em là nhìn của khởi